So we're just coming out of the 30 behind this big tractor and trailer unit, and we've just had our suspension set up. So a bit of a road, never been down here before. Been told to go down here. It's a bit of a good test run, bit twisty, bit windy, bit bumpy. Let's see how this suspension performs. Up the inside, got a view. Just check it on the outside. No, I don't fancy it. Too much, not enough going on there to see. A bit of patience, and we'll see what happens. Still in a national speed limit. Still a bit big old houses here, and we can see it's a big lorry and drag. So any overtakes are going to have to happen. They're going to have to be fairly smart and decisive. Road narrows, humpback bridge. So expecting cars in the middle of the road, expecting this thing to take up the middle of the road. Give it plenty of space. It might stop, you know, there might be something there we don't see. So let's let it do its thing. Have we got an inside view? No. Haven't got an outside view yet. There's a lorry coming down. Would have been touch and go to go there. So man in front of us is slowing down just to let the bigger one come through. So no point squeezing past there at all. Just winkle up behind. Let them all go. And then we can see again. When you're following big stuff like this, it's worth just staying out of the way for a little bit. Got a view there now. We can go through. Bit of a junction on the right hand side, not a problem. So now we're cracking on. Never been down here before, and we're just giving the suspension a workout. Looking at the poles, seeing where the road's going, cars coming round, staying out of the way. Park car on the left hand side, just move out of the way for that one. Looking up into the distance, where's the trees, where's the hedge? There's our chevron, bury it into the corner and wind it on. Into the next one, flickable, suspension's working, a treat. Same again, keep it flowing round if we can, just seeing how sharp these corners are. In, out, bury it in, accelerate out. Flick round into this one, let's try and unstick it. Bit of a spin up there. Just flowing around, seeing where we're going, loads of brakes, loads of acceleration, just trying to get this suspension as hard as we can. Let's try and give it something to think about. Look across the right hand side, we can see the hedge, get in the right gear, tip it in, pile out. Another bit of a spin up there, but being as hand-fisted as I can just to try and get that rear tyre to do exactly what I expect it to do when I expect it to do it. Bit of another lorry coming up, so possibly an overtake coming on. Had a bit of a view there. Look, check, clear, go. Right hand corner, over to the left. Where's the corner opening up? There it is. Tip it in, toe on the deck, accelerate out. Throttle off for the next one. Get that responsive gear just to give it a spin. Over we go. We're told to turn around in a pub just up here somewhere, so we're still on the lookout for that. We've got a car up ahead of us. Just dropping down into a village. So, time to relax, time to experience what our new suspension setup is like, and it's absolutely fantastic. It's so much lighter on the steering, flicks in the corners easier, the little divots and the little tiny potholes that normally used to rattle your back teeth out, they're just soaked up, not a problem at all. Hitting over cat's eyes, can't even feel them anymore, so that is absolutely transformed this bike. To be honest with you, I don't know I was riding it before. Here's the pub, so we need to do a bit of a switcheroo on that one. So we're just looking for the car park. There it is. Nice gravelly car park, just what we need. And nice U-turn, full lock U-turn. No messing. That one goes. Lorry's coming back round again, we'll get out before him. Remember in the 30, we can't put an overtake on there. So we'll just bide our time. Still chuffed a bit without the suspension setup. you're thinking about going and getting your suspension done, get it done. TS Suspension Tech. Not TS at all, you idiot. TW Suspension Tech. Up near Preston. Cannot recommend that enough. So we're just looking for the national speed limit signs. There they are. See if we can get an inside view of this car. There we go. And off again. Let's see how it is on the return leg. Bit of a van coming out. One car, two cars, tractor ahead of us. Black car, get it in space, there he is. Cyclist is indicating, thank you very much. We'll just see what you do. Sneak past you. And then we'll deal with this tractor. No lights on, can't see any mirrors. So expect him to pull off or pull in or pull out or do something weird at any point. Got that nice view. You can see the tree line. Just over that dip. And off we go. Very into the corners. Let's wind it on. See if it grips, and it's gripping nice. Got the slow sign, got the poles. Need to slow up there. Bit of a sideways moment going into that corner. But this is sticking to the road like you wouldn't believe at the minute. It's absolutely beautiful. So hard on the brakes, tip it in. Other side of the road, tip it in. When the corner opens up, let's go, let's go, let's go. Here we go. Staying to the left for the right-hander. Looking at the hedges, looking across the top. Sharp corner this one, tip it in and opens up, go. Next one opens up, ready, go. Bit of a flick, left right flick. Flicks so much faster for a massive bike. It's absolutely lying on its side in a flash now. Yeah, you want to watch that. Round we go. And we've caught up with our man again. And that'll do. That has made all the difference in the world to that suspension. It's absolutely superb. Well chuffed.